Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the latest camera settings in Heartopia. So this is on their, this is in their latest update. So let me just remove this for now. There you go. So basically, I'm just going to stand here. If you take out your camera, you can use the tripod mode, which if you move around, the camera won't move with you, as you can see here. So that's a pretty cool feature. Then we have if you press on this icon here, it moves to the brightness section. You can make it super bright or a little bit darker if it's too bright, or you can reset it to its default setting. We have then this, which you can kind of make the angles slanted, like for instance like that. And then we have the like camera movement selection. Let me just redo that. I was getting dizzy. The camera movement selection. So you do have to record it on your own. There's the side orbit, ascending orbit, zoom in, overhead orbit, zoom out. I'll show it to you guys one by one. So this is the side orbit. So the UI does get kind of closed, and then there is oops, sorry. Ugh. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit more, and then we have the ascending orbit. And then we have the zoom in. And then we have the zoom out. That's so cool. It's like there's a drone. And there's the overhead orbit. Whoa, this is awesome. Okay, this is my favorite point of view, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.